Guys, we are back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing how to restore this plastic trim around the windows from looking grimy to looking brand new. So every time I wash the truck, I've tried different chemicals to try to clean this, and it doesn't matter. It might look nice for a few days, but then it always goes back to this worn down, dull, really dirty, it looks like I didn't even try to clean it, trim. So I looked into actually replacing the trim, but for the whole set it was about 300 bucks, and I figured there would be a better alternative. So what I ended up finding that would work is a Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. You can find these at pretty much any major retail store, supermarket, $5, and I'll show you how it works now. So all you need is the Magic Eraser and some water that we have here. And just soak it up in the water and then just simply scrub it back and forth. Now this is kind of like the patience time, where it does take some time to weather it down, but it will eventually get down back to normal. So as you guys can see, there's a huge night and day difference between before and after the Magic Eraser. 10 out of 10 recommend doing this, going by your local grocery store, picking up a $5 Magic Eraser. All you need is water and some patience, and you'll be good to go and it'll look brand new. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, and if you aren't already, subscribe, helps us out a lot. If you're interested in seeing any more ways I detail and maintain this truck, from the amount of abuse it takes off-road, leave a comment down below. Let me know you'd be interested in seeing that in a future video. And as always guys, I'll catch you in a future video.